So what does it take to build a transformer model? There are many misconceptions around it. Do you need to be a maths expert with proficiency in advanced maths concepts? Do you need to learn many frameworks and libraries before you can get started? Do you need access to expensive GPUs, data center class GPUs, and that too for hours, days, and weeks? The answer to all of these, you might be surprised, is that you don't need any of these. The entry barrier is quite low. It's fairly easy to learn to build transformer models. Yes, you do need maths familiarity, linear algebra, working with matrices, matrix transformations, familiarity and being comfortable with calculus. For example, if there is a quadratic curve and you start from a point somewhere and drop a ball there, it goes to the minimum. That is the gradient descent idea. So being comfortable with the calculus ideas is indeed required. Expertise and research level expertise, high proficiency is not. So the libraries, Python and PyTorch. PyTorch is the framework. PyTorch is sufficient. There are other frameworks like TensorFlow, Keras, JAX. Those are not necessary. PyTorch is a good starting place. When it comes to GPUs, once again, you may be surprised. A decent configuration desktop with a mid-range GPU, greater than 12 GB of VRAM. It's not cheap, but it is a decent configuration desktop is sufficient to build the small models. Models that we are talking about is of the range from 100 to 500 million parameter model. These are not super tiny, ultra tiny toy models that we are talking about. These are small models. So, GPT-2 class, 100 to 500 million parameter range. And they can comfortably be trained. You might be surprised they can comfortably be trained within, a ballpark 6 to 12 hours, depending on the GPU that you have at your disposal. So the GPUs and the CPUs are getting better, and we are enabled, and the entry barrier is really low. So we are happy to announce the new online workshop. Tech-Aarvam is launching an online workshop, Build Your Own Transformer Model. The dates are 26th and 27th of September. It's weekend, that is week 1. 3rd and 4th October is week 2. So the details are there in the link in the description below. So week 1, we will be covering concepts. We will take examples so that the building concepts, the Lego blocks, the concepts, we understand. That is week 1. Week 2 will be building the actual model. At the end of the week 2, the code that you wrote, you will get access to shared access to a GPU for a duration of 24 hours. So I'll review the code with you. There are a few low-hanging optimizations and best practices. You learn them as part of this, checkpointing. The very simplest optimization is PyTorch compile. There are a few 6 or 7 such points that we'll review so that we are able to maximize the time on the GPU and train meaningfully. At the end of the workshop, you carry the notes, the code, and the model that you built along with that. There will be a online verifiable certificate issued to you as well on completion. There is also a LinkedIn live preview session that is planned. The first one is on 30th September. There are multiple LinkedIn live sessions that are also planned. So I look forward to seeing you at the workshop. Thank you.